Hello students. Now discussing about that metamerism. Already we discussed positional, functional and chain and ring chain isomers are completed. Now next one is metamerism. What is metamerism? That compound having same molecular formula but different alkyl group attached to the polyvalent functional group. That compounds having same molecular formula but different alkyl groups attached to the polyvalent functional group, that is known as metamerism. Metamerism means different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group is known as metamerism. So that what is the polyvalent functional group? What are the polyvalent functional group? That polyvalent functional group, that is the acetic anhydride, anhydride, acids, amide and imine and nitrogen, like that, primary, secondary, tertiary amines and ethers. These are the polyvalent functional groups. Now example is, for examples for metamerism, these two are the example, that is these both are the metamers. I will take example, these two are the only metamers, and another example is CH3 CONH CH2, that is CH3 CONH CH2 CH3, and in these two structures both are metamers. Why? Because of these different alkyl groups, both having different alkyl groups. Left side methyl group is there, right side ethyl group is there. Then left side is ethyl group is there, right side is methyl groups are there. So these two are different alkyl groups. These different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group is known as metamers. So these both are the only these both are metamers. And another example is internal change and intra unit change. It is also important, student. In metamers means different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group. So now take the another example is, that is, one is methyl group, right side is methyl group is there, left side is butyl is there, butyl group is there, methyl butyl ether, and second structure is, right side is ethyl group is there, left side is propyl group is there. So these both are the internal change metamers. It is also only metamers. And next one is the next example, also same thing, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2O CH3 at first structure. What about this second structure? Then right side, first structure is, right side is methyl group is there, left side is butyl group is there. These both are the different alkyl groups. Right side is methyl, left side is butyl. These both alkyls are attached to the same functional group. Functional group is the ether. And in second structure, right side is methyl group is there, and left side is isobutyl is there. So these are the first one is internal change only metamers, and second one is intra unit change. These having both metamers and chain isomer. It is exhibit in this structure both metamers and chain isomers. It exhibits chain isomer. Chain isomer means what I said, that mother name should be different. So these both are exhibits the chain isomers, and in this both structure exhibits chain isomers and metamers. These are the important simple trick for metamers, students. Metamers forms two types. Generally metamers forms, one second, that is metamers forms two types. That is, first one is internal unit change, and the second one is intra unit change. In internal unit change only forms metamers, only forms metamers, but in intra unit change forms chain isomers and positional isomers. It is very most important, student. Metamers form two types, that is internal change units in only forms metamers. In this internal change only forms metamers, but in intra unit change both forms metamers and chain isomers and positional isomer. It is very most important, student. Positional isomers. For metamers forms two types, internal change and intra change. In internal change only forms metamers, but in intra unit change intra-unit change forms metamers and chain isomers and positional isomers. Chain isomers and positional isomers. For chain isomers and positional isomers, alkyl groups should be same. Once again students, for chain isomers and positional isomers, alkyl group should be same. That means alkyl group should be same means only one side. Alkyl group present in only one side. These are the important for metamers. Now take the example student. Now one more example. CH3, CH2, 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 then NH, CH3. It is right side is methyl group is there, left side is butyl group is there. Is first structure. Now second structure we can write CH3, CH2, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3, and right side is ethyl group is there, left side is propyl group is there. This structure 2, and structure 3 CH3, CH, then in structure 3 CH3, CH, CH3, then CH2, NH, CH3. This is structure 3. So you observe that one. In first one is in structure 3, right side is methyl group is there, left side is isobutyl group is there. These are the all are the metamers. Metamers means compound having same molecular formula but different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group. But here left side, right side both are different alkyl groups. These different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group, that is functional group here NH amines. So now what is the observe that one here? In observe that in first one structure 1 and structure 2, structure 3, in structure 1 and structure 2, what is the differences in structure 1 and structure 2? And structure 1 and structure 2 only metamers. Here only metamer. In structure 1 and you observe that one, in structure 1 and structure 2 only metamers. What about that structure 1 and structure 3? Is structure 1 and structure 2 only metamers. Why? Because of different alkyl groups. This different alkyl group attached to the same functional group. So one structure 1 and structure 2 only metamers. What about structure 1 and 3? Both metamers and chain isomerism. Metamers and structure 1 and structure 3 both metamers and chain isomers. Chain isomer means what? Mother name should be different. Chain isomers means what? That is what I said. Chain isomers means compound having same molecular formula but mother name should be different. Structure 1 is methyl butyl. In structure 3 is the methyl and isobutyl. So these mother names are different. So structure 1 and structure 3 both metamers and chain isomers. And what about this structure 2 and structure 3? Structure 2 and structure 3 only both metamers. Why? Because of this is the left side, right side is methyl. Both are structure 1 right side methyl group is there, structure 3 also right side methyl group is there, and these are the only metamers. So in these following three structures, structure 1 and structure 2 only metamers, and structure 1 structure 3 metamers and chain isomers, and structure 2 and structure 3 only metamers. So this is the important for metamers student. Metamers means compound having same molecular formula but different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group. Different alkyl groups attached to the same functional group is known as metamers. Student, if you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.